P.H.S. International. Finest adult brands. Presenting Bijoux de Nip. Beaded, nipple, clamps. Bijoux de Nip nipple clamps, handcrafted pieces transformed into dazzling works of art. From sleek stylish beaded beauties featuring silver and pearl accents or sumptuous feather treatments to whimsical stones and charms, our nipple jewelry is perfect for adorning your most precious assets. Made in the USA. Faceted beads. Precious pearls. Natural stones. Natural green. Blackened pearls. Natural hearts. Chain tassels. Black reddened pearls. Beautiful gift packaging. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visit PHS International today.